This video is going to show how to plan routing on a PCB with bundles and flow planning in Allegro X. Effective high-speed PCB routing begins with planning. A routing strategy should be established early in the design process to prevent issues with skew, crosstalk, impedance discontinuities, and timing mismatches. Allegro X offers flow planning and net bundling to help engineering teams visualize signal paths, organize related interfaces, and identify potential routing bottlenecks before layout begins. Open the provided design in Allegro X PCB Designer. In this design, Ratsnest lines are turned off by default. To enable lines for the nets that will be bundled, select Display, Show Rats, Net from the menu. The Find by Name feature can be used to select the desired nets. In the Find panel, under Find by Name, select More to define the nets. The Find by Name or Property window opens. Enter HDMI asterisk into the Name filter field to filter nets whose name starts with HDMI. Select All to select all HDMI nets. Click OK. The Ratsnest lines are enabled and displayed in the PCB canvas. Right-click and select Done to end the selection mode. Now let's enable the flow planning mode to create a bundle. Select Setup, Application Mode, Flow Planning from the menu to change the mode to Flow Planning. Bundles can be used to clean up Ratsnest lines between spaced components in the design. Ensure Ratsnest is checked in the Find panel, then click and drag to select the Ratsnest lines. Select Flow Plan, Create Bundle from the menu to create the bundle. The bundle visibility is off by default. This can be fixed in the Color dialog window. Select the color icon in the toolbar. In the Color dialog window, check the option for All under Plan to enable bundle visibility. Click OK to save the changes and close the window. The bundle is now visible between FPC1 and U18. The Ratsnest lines start and end at the bundle, so the view is much clearer. The bundle is also shown at 50% of the total width of the enclosed nets by default. Let's increase it to 100%. Select Setup, Design Parameters. The Design Parameter Editor window opens. Here you can define general design parameters such as colors, text format, shapes, and more. Select the Flow Planning tab. Set the flow line relative width to 100 and the flow via relative size to 100. The bundle will now be shown at the full combined width of the enclosed nets. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Now let's define the bundle name and layers it will show. Select the bundle. Right-click and select Bundle Properties. The Edit Bundle Property window opens. Here you can configure the bundle name, ownership, and display controls. Set the name to Bundle HDMI. Select the Bundle Layer tab to configure the layer to be shown. Select Enable One Layer and choose Top in the Enable column. Top is selected as the only visible layer. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Now let's adjust the bundle for better path planning on the PCB layout. Click and drag the start of the bundle at the flex connector and center it in the path between the connector and U18. A guide is shown where the Ratsnest lines enter the bundle. Click and drag the other points in the bundle to wrap the bundle around the path. The remaining Ratsnest lines follow the bundle. With the bundle adjusted, let's route the bundled nets. Select Route Connect from the menu. Click and drag to select the Ratsnest lines to begin routing. Traces will be routed from all selected pins. In this case, 8 traces are attached to the cursor. To route the traces closer together, right-click and select Route Spacing. The Route Spacing window opens. Select Minimum DRC for the spacing mode and click OK. Click to start routing. The traces are now closer together. Click to route the traces along the path of the bundle. The bundle makes for a clear and easy path for the traces to follow. When close enough to U18, right-click and select Finish to automatically route the traces to their respective pins. Right-click and select Done. The bundle and associated Ratsnest lines are still visible on the PCB canvas. Right-click the bundle and select Delete Bundle to remove them. The traces are routed and the Ratsnest lines are removed. Right-click on the canvas and select Application Mode, General Edit to return to the General Edit mode. By mapping signal flow across the board and grouping critical nets into logical bundles with Allegro X, designers can create cleaner routing channels, reduce layer transitions, and improve overall signal performance. For more tutorials, Visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.